2016 to 2019 Chevy Cruze cabinet filter replacement. Cabinet filter is located behind the glove box, so let's use our trim tool to pop that panel off on the side. It's held by a few push pins. It's out. Let's remove those 7mm. There is 5 of them, 4 over there on top and 1 at the bottom. Let's push the seat all the way back so we can remove this trim piece here on the footwell. There it is. Let's open our glove box and let's pop this trim piece off and pull that one off. Just pull it. You have like a handle type of thing, and that's you can just pull it. And now let's remove the last bolt. It was the 7mm at the bottom. Now let's remove the vent. It's held by a 7mm and use our trim tool to pop it off. It's held once again by a few push pins, those gold looking things. Now let's pop the glove box assembly off. Let's pop it off. There it is. It just requires some effort. You're not gonna break anything. Now let's take our cabinet filter off. Looks like it was, yeah, seen better days. There it is. Whoa. Let's turn it off. There is our new air filter. Make sure you pay attention to the orientation. Put it out facing down. And let's put our glove box assembly back on. You push it in, and we'll put the trim piece on the side of it in. That piece here, just it's a clip on. You'll hear clip once it's fully seated. And put our bolt back on. All 5 of them. Now let's put the vent back on. You're gonna hear a clip once it's fully seated. There it is. And put our 7mm back on. And put the last bolt for the glove box. And our trim piece here. It's a bunch of clips once again. Once they're fully seated, you will click. There it is. Just like this one. Clips. It's just clips and bolts, guys. It's really not that serious. Clips and bolts. Here's the last piece here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.